American scientists propose using ice-spraying airplanes at an altitude of 17 kilometers to dehydrate the stratosphere, helping the Earth partially cool down. A group of scientists from the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, and NASA came up with a new idea to cool the Earth, Fizz reported on February 29. Water vapor is a natural greenhouse gas that traps heat, just like CO2 produced from burning coal, oil, and gas. Therefore, the team proposed that if ice could be sprayed into the upper atmosphere, it would be drier and help reduce a smaller portion of the warming that humans create. New research published in the journal Science Advances. This is not something we can do right now. We're just learning what might be possible in the future and identifying research directions, wrote Joshua Schwartz, a physicist at NOAA. Lead author of the study, said. The method of drying the upper atmosphere proceeds as follows. First, high-tech aircraft can spray ice particles at an altitude of about 17 kilometers, just below the stratosphere, where air slowly rises. Then, ice and cold air rise to the coldest place and cause water vapor to turn into ice and fall, thereby dehydrating the stratosphere. But up to now, the world still does not have such effective ice blasting technology. At a maximum rate of spraying 2 tons of ice a week, Schwartz said, the amount of reduced water vapor could be enough to reduce the heat a little, about 5% of the total warming caused by carbon from fossil fuel combustion. This level is not much and should not be used as a substitute for reducing pollution, according to Schwartz. He was unsure about possible side effects. This is also an issue that many other scientists are concerned about. Deliberately modifying Earth's atmosphere to overcome climate change could create new problems, according to climate scientist Andrew Weaver at the University of Victoria. The new idea may be technically sound, Weaver said, but he compared it to a children's story about a king who loves cheese, but has trouble with mice. The king used cats to get rid of mice, then had to use dogs to chase away cats, then used lions to get rid of dogs, elephants to get rid of lions, and finally used mice to chase away elephants. It makes more sense to address the root problem, cheese or CO2, Weaver said.